Hi guys, this is Beto Chingon, and if you've been following our videos, I'm showing you how we're putting panels, solar panels, on a 40-foot container. Okay, we just needed additional power, so we're putting some solar panels on top of this container. I mean, we can always make another structure and put solar panels on top of it, but this container is already there, and we're just using the roof of the container. It's not being used for nothing. So we're actually using it to put solar panels. And let me show you guys how we did it. First of all, as I mentioned to you guys on the previous videos, there was some cleanup to do. We had this avocado tree that was actually giving shade on top of the container. There was some other branches over there, and there's some lemon tree back there. And everything was giving shade on top of the container, so we had to clean up all that. And after that, we started installing our solar panels. As you guys can see here, like on top of this container, we actually put 12 solar panels. I mean, they don't give a lot of power, but we're able to get 1,000, 2,000 watts, and that's a decent amount of power. It's not a lot, but it's a decent amount of power. When on a sunny day, we're able to get 2,000 watts, and that's decent. Okay, so what we did is basically we made L-shaped brackets that we screw here on the aluminum of the solar panels, and then the metal L shape that was sitting on top of the container, we welded that part, and then we just seal everything with roof coating paint. So we seal that just to help it a little bit against the rust. But anyway, the panels are already installed, and as you notice, we made a little walkway here in the middle, just in case we needed to service this, okay, and clean up the panels or whatever was needed. So that's how this is working now. This is already generating power. On a cloudy day like this, we probably don't get much. On a cloudy day like this, we probably would get about 800 to 1,000, okay? And when it's sunny, we probably get about 2,000 watts. So that's not bad at all, okay? So that's how it works. That's how we did it. Just simple as that. Simple installation. Not something too fancy. We connected all 12 panels together. But the way we did it is we put 4 panels in series. Okay, 4 panels in series. We made 3 of those, and then we connect them all in parallel. So we have a total of 12 panels here, like I was telling you guys. It's a great setup, and it's real simple because you don't have to do any framing or try to make some kind of framing, to hold your panels. I mean, the space is already here, so we're just using it. If there's a lot of people that actually lives in the middle of the desert, and they have several containers like this, well, this is probably the easiest way to give power to your containers. Some people, they use them as a house. Some people, they use them as an office. And honestly, if it was me, I'll probably put panels like this on regular containers that are being pulled by the big rigs, because some of those guys, they wanna start using electric big rigs, and with these panels, you can actually do it. I mean, it might be better to use some panels that generate more power than these panels, but these are low price panels. This is what I'm using. I mean, these panels are like less than $100 each because they're used, they're not new, and they're generating plenty of power. I mean, for what I need, okay? Right now, it's just a complement of the power they already have, Anyway, I'll show you guys on the charge controller just to give you an idea how much power we're getting out of these solar panels, okay? Just let me pause this. Well, before I show you guys that, let me just show you this. It's just a totally cloudy day, okay? There's no sun, but there's daylight, and that's a good thing, I mean, as long as you have daylight, you're gonna get some type of power, okay? So you guys can see here. Let me pause this and let me take you guys to the charge controller. See, look at this. This is our charge controller, okay? But it's not generating much. It's only generating almost 300 watts. Why? Because today is totally cloudy, okay? Totally cloudy. There's no sun at all. So it's just daylight. So we're generating almost 300 watts. But we're generating 300 watts of this one. We have another one here generating another 300. And we have another one here on this side generating another 350 or 300, 340 something, whatever. So between all three of those, they're generating almost 1,000 watts. But as soon as the sun comes out, this one here will be generating about 2,000. This one will be generating around another 2,000, 2,000 plus, and this one will be generating another 2,000 plus. So between three of those units, we're probably gonna have over 6,000 watts, and that's decent power. And that's not all. We have more units like this. Our other units, they actually generate more power. Our other units, on a sunny day, they'll be generating over 3,000 watts each. And we actually have 6 of those. So if you see 6 of those generating between 2 and 3,000, we're gonna be, let's say around 20,000 watts just on the other 6, and probably 6,000 watts between these units. That's not bad at all. So you're looking at generating over 25,000 watts on a sunny day. But on cloudy days like this, we're not really doing much. These ones are doing about 300, as you can see. The other ones might be doing about, 400 or 500, 800, something like that. But you put them all together, and we're just getting a little bit of power. Days like this, we don't need air conditioning, so we have enough power for whatever we need, like televisions, refrigerators, computers. We're okay with that. We get plenty of power. Like right now, on this day, this cloudy day, our batteries are about 50.2. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can get it closer. There. Okay. See that? That's 50.2 volts. And this is a 48 volt battery system. So at 50, we're doing good. And we're also using power at the same time to use our refrigerators, our lights, our computers, our televisions. Okay. And that's, we're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4 refrigerators, several computers, and by the way, several smart devices. So we have plenty of power. Okay. So anyway, this is on a cloudy day, and I'll show you that right now. You see, the sun's supposed to be up there. We're supposed to be able to see it. It's normally on that side. Well, we don't see it, as you can see. But we're still getting we're still getting a little bit of power, not much. But this is how it looks. See that? That's how it looks. That's how the sky looks like right now. It's all cloudy. And basically, we're just getting a limited amount of power. And if these clouds go away, then we'll be looking at almost 25,000 watts coming in. But right now, we're probably looking at about, with all of them combined, probably about 2,000 or 3,000. That is not much, but it's enough to keep the batteries fully charged and for us to run our appliances and smart devices. Okay, well, thank you guys. Until next time. And just remember, we need more subscribers. This is Beto Chingon. Thank you. Bye.